Okay, this is international language testing system powered by IDP to assess the level of candidate. Okay, my name is Manpreet Singh. I am here to conduct the speaking of candidate number 110912. So what is the full name?
My name is Parminder Singh.
Okay. Where do you come from?
I am from Paniali Khurd, which comes under district SP Nagar in Punjab.
Okay. So are you a student or working somewhere?
I am working. I am not student. I complete my plus 2 with arts stream in 2015.
What kind of work you are doing right now?
I work agriculture at home.
Okay. So what is the future plan now?
I future plan, I go to foreign countries.
Okay. What kind of job you want to do there?
I like my business, not we every under people do work in future time, and I establish my transport in future time.
Okay. Let's talk about your hometown. Do you like your hometown?
Yes, I like hometown.
Are there some famous places in your hometown?
Famous place in my hometown, playground and park, and
So which facility you enjoy the most in your hometown?
I enjoy every time in my hometown playing cricket in my free time with my friends.
Okay. How is transportation system in your hometown?
My village not in a transportation good facilities, because my village distance long distance in highway. That's why not every bus will not stay in my home.
Okay. What type of people live in your hometown?
Live in my village different types peoples, and he work related to some people working agriculture related, and some people go for work in factories. That's
Okay. Do you want to see any kind of improvement in your hometown?
yes, I many improve in my hometown, because constructions is better upon the past time, and lights and
So, how different is your hometown compared to the other cities?
different hometown is different other city, because it's naturally environment, peacefully environment, and
Is your hometown connected with some other cities?
no, my village is not connected to other city, because city is long distance my village.
Okay. Now it's time for your cue card topic. Okay. So this is your cue card. So you have 1 minute to prepare. start.
I have many plan in my future time. Here I would like to talk about my plan is go to abroad and establish my business, and I like a transportation system in future time, and it is a good way on work, and it is a good source to income in future time, and because my relatives live in a foreign country, and he called me and he asked, he speak me and listen, speak to work establish business, and I hope I going to foreign country and increase big business and future time, and
Okay, so which is better, having a lots of plans or having no plans at all?
yes, I have plan go to foreign because my sister live in a foreign, and he called me, and he sent me a sponsor, and
Why do most people make plans before they go for travel?
travel.
Yes.
Mostly people go for travel like do because they look at many views, different views in travel time, and I think travel
Do you think planning help us to prepare for unseen travels?
no, I think I think travel.
Why do you think people do? What do you think people do when they face unpredictable issues?
People always attack and ambitious plays
How do individuals feel when their plans do not work out? How do individuals feel when their plans do not work out? How they feel?
how feel better do work because it physical fitness and mind relax in work time, and we all people are doing work because they need to every things, and hard.
Okay. Do you think being unsuccessful is a sign of poor future planning?
You think it's
Do you think being unsuccessful is a sign of poor future planning?
yes, I think I work in the future time successful in the future time because I do hard work and
Okay, you can go now.